Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, October 11th. Seeing some abundant sunshine out there this morning under mostly sunny skies. A little bit chilly. Temperatures are just into the low 60s. Not expected to climb up too high today, only into the upper 60s. And then we'll see the skies return to mostly cloudy as we go into the late afternoon and early evening. Taking a quick look at our satellite to start off this morning, we have had this low slowly developing well to the east of the area over the past week. Now it's pretty much stationary there and has been exhibiting some tropical characteristics, so there is a chance it could be classified as a subtropical storm as we go later into today. But it is going to remain pretty much stationary exactly where it's at and slowly weaken as we go throughout today and tomorrow, and then moving east until away from the area, and it won't be a factor in our weather anymore. But right now it is giving us some northerly winds, as it has been for the past couple of days, and it has drawn in some colder and drier air, and that has helped to clear out the clouds and given us some temperatures a couple degrees below normal. Here on the surface analysis, you could see that low there off of the northeast coast, and we do have some weak high pressure building across the southeast United States. That's also helping to give us some beautiful clear skies out there this morning. As we go into the next couple days, we'll get this front starting to approach the area, and it's going to kind of wash out as it approaches the area and then pick up some moisture as we go into Sunday, and then that's when our next chance of seeing some rain will be across the Delmarva. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning. Winds are from the north at the surface all the way up through about 9,000 feet or so, running around 30 knots at that level, then shifting more northwesterly, still about 30 knots, and then becoming 45 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning just below 14,000 feet. For today, going to be seeing a high of 69 degrees under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Winds are going to remain northerly around 8 to 13 knot and slightly gusty. Not really anticipating a wind advisory today. Winds are going to shift more northeasterly as we move into this afternoon, and that'll help to increase the cloudiness with that little bit flow off the water, helping to give us return to some lower clouds again as we go into the late afternoon, early evening time frame. Then we'll see those winds weaken as we go into the overnight hours to 5 to 10 knots from the northwest, becoming 3 to 8 knots from the northwest by sunrise on Saturday, with a chilly low tomorrow morning expected into the upper 40s. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, just seeing a few clouds at 5,000 feet, few at 25,000. That'll be the case throughout the morning. Then this afternoon we'll see that level near 5,000 feet slowly increase, becoming broken by the late afternoon hours and then overcast close to sunset. And then as we go into the overnight hours, we'll see those clouds decrease after midnight, after those winds shift more northwesterly, drawing in some drier air as high pressure builds in. And by sunrise tomorrow, just seeing a few clouds at 2,500 feet and a broken at 25,000. We are seeing our tides 2 feet above normal out there. There is some minor flooding across just low-lying areas on Chincoteague and across the Virginia Atlantic coast here along the Delmarva. We are under a coastal flood warning until tonight, and that'll likely be extended, as it doesn't look like the tides are really going to diminish. Taking a look at a quick tide chart here to show you, we are going to pretty much seeing the highest tides right now, and they should persist this way for at least the next 24 hours or so, and then starting to decrease a little bit once we get into Sunday. So taking a look at our long-range model here, there's that low swirling just to the south of Cape Cod, and that's going to continue to do that as we go throughout the rest of the day today. As we go into tonight, that low is going to weaken and start to move east away from the mainland United States as we get some weak high pressure building in. That'll give us a pretty beautiful day tomorrow with some very seasonable temperatures under partly cloudy skies, so expect a beautiful Saturday across the region, and then we will see Saturday night that weak front start to approach the region, and like I mentioned earlier, it does appear as if it's going to wash out as it approaches and then kind of get hung up across the Carolinas. And then on Sunday, that stationary front is going to pick up a little bit of moisture and energy, and we'll see some rain showers develop across at least the southern half of the Delmarva, mainly Sunday afternoon and evening into Sunday night. Can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well, depending on how much instability develops. So expect some showers as we go into Sunday afternoon and evening, and then Monday for our Columbus Day, things should dry out, maybe an isolated shower lingering through about sunrise Monday, and then high pressure quickly builds in. That is going to help to dry things out, give us a very pleasant Monday under mostly sunny skies with temperatures into the mid-70s, and that will persist through Tuesday until we get a next weather system rolling through the area in the middle of next week with a chance of some heavier rain possible and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm or two for Wednesday. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast. Today's going to be 69 degrees under partly clouded and mostly sunny skies. Tomorrow we are expecting some partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region, but lighter winds and that temperature of 73 degrees. As we go into Sunday, like I said, we're going to see that stationary front south of the region pick up some moisture, giving us about a 40% chance of scattered showers Sunday afternoon and evening and into Sunday night. Then high pressure will build into the area for Monday and Tuesday, giving us partly cloudy skies and very beautiful conditions with temperatures in the mid-70s and seasonable lows as well. So very seasonable forecast for the next several days here. Wednesday, we're going to see a system roll through the eastern half of the United States. That's going to give us some scattered showers. Looks like a pretty good chance of seeing some rain on Wednesday with temperatures near 70 degrees. Can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well. Then Thursday, getting high pressure building back into the area to end our week in some chillier but mostly sunny conditions with a high of only expected to be up to 64 on Thursday. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Tuesday at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.